Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreya. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great, safe and sound. In this video, I'm going to talk about your queries, your question that you asked me related to my Indigo cabin crew interviews and otherwise because I got a hell lot of a question. मेरा जो video था जिसमें मैंने I shared my experience of how I gave my interview, what really happened to me and what I did and what was you guys supposed to do. I get a lot of comments, plus I also got a lot of comments on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, please go and do follow me on my Instagram channel. सो मेरे पास अभी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हो चुके हैं आप लोगों के जो आपने मुझसे पूछा है. सो आई थॉट कि why I'm replying to everyone individual, it's a very big task because I can't keep up with it because I'm really busy. So I thought कि I'll conclude every question and every possible answer जो मैं आपको कर सकती हूँ. I thought why not make a video because I personally feel कि अगर मैं किसी एक comment को reply करती हूँ तो सिर्फ उनकी query solve हो रही है. But what if any other person has the same query? So मैं एक वीडियो अगर बना दूँ तो it will be really helpful for you guys to understand, to know the real answer and आपकी सारी queries एक बार में ही solve हो जाएंगी. So यहाँ पर मेरे पास अभी सारे लिस्ट है क्वेश्चंस के जो मुझे पूछे गए थे. मैं अभी आपको दिखाती हूँ. So मेरे पास यहाँ पे लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस है जो मुझे पूछे गए हैं आप सभी से, जो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे आया है. मैंने सबका स्क्रीनशॉट इसमें ले लिया है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर ईच वन ऑफ योर क्वेरी as much as possible because I think कि मुझसे भी कुछ मिस हो सकता है. एंड अगर मुझसे कुछ मिस हो जाता है इस वीडियो में तो यू गाइज कैन कॉमेंट इट डाउन बिलो, मैं उसका आंसर भी कर दूंगी. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. ओके, सो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछा गया है कि दी एम आई एलिजिबल फॉर इंटरव्यू इफ आई वाज स्कार ऑन माई लेग्स एंड ऑल्सो वेरी शॉर्ट हेयर, प्लीज़ आंसर. सो गाइज, अगर आपके पास आपको बहुत ज़्यादा शॉर्ट हेयर है तो उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. यू कैन गो फॉर द इंटरव्यू. बट इफ़ यू गाइज टॉक अबाउट स्कार्स, येस, सम ऑफ द एयरलाइंस आर वेरी पर्टिकुलर इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्कार्स. सो उसके लिए आई थिंक आपको एक बार तो इंटरव्यू में अपीयर होना पड़ेगा सो दैट यू कैन रियलाइज कि हाउ बिग द स्कार इज़. दे ओनली कैन जस्टिफाई this answer because even I'm not sure ki how much they give leverage to people with scars, because I know this thing that yes, they are particular about the scars and pimples and skin issues or something. But how, at what extent do they are concerned about this, that I don't know. इसीलिए I'll suggest you, अगर आपके पास small scar है और ऐसा जिसको आप कवर कर सकते हो, then please go for the interview guys. And if you think that it's a very very big scar, then I have a little bad news that I think you might not get selected. But please don't lose your hope. आप एक बार इंटरव्यू के लिए ज़रूर से ज़रूर जाओ. जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई. मे बी उस दिन आपका डे हो एंड यू गेट लकी और समथिंग, यू गेट सेलेक्टेड, who knows. So just try, never ever lose hope regarding to these things. So yes. So next question, please make a separate video for PhD. एंड सी गाइज, PhD इज़ समथिंग ना जिसमें आपकी कम्युनिकेशन पे बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया जाता है. सो PhD इज़ अ लिटिल बिग टॉपिक राइट नाउ. सो आई थिंक ये इस वीडियो में मैं कवर ना करके आई मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन दैट. एंड इफ़ यू गाइज वांट डू चेक इट आउट, मैं ज़रूर उस पर एक वीडियो बनाऊंगी बिकॉज आई थिंक कि इसमें मैं सब कुछ इंक्लूड नहीं कर पाऊंगी PhD के बारे में. सो आई मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन दैट. बट येस, इन शॉर्ट, PhD इज़ अ प्रोग्राम. वो 1 महीने का होता है या 2 महीने का होता है इन इंडिगो, अकॉर्डिंग टू द अटेंशन दैट यू नीड ऑन द कमांड यू नीड ऑन योर लैंग्वेज. सो मेरा जो PhD था, इट वॉज फॉर 1 month एंड इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली फॉर योर कम्युनिकेशन. Just I'm concluding it in a very short way that it is for your communication. And yeah, I'll make a separate video if you want to know details about PhD. And okay, so I got a question that how did you improve your communication skill? So actually that's a really good question, and I think I am suitable to answer this question because मेरा communication was not very great before. I was not confident while speaking English. I was very scared, very introverted kind of a person. मुझे हमेशा से प्रॉब्लम होती थी लोगों से इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेट करने में बिकॉज सी आई न्यू इंग्लिश में बात कैसे करते हैं, बट आई वॉज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट. आई वॉज ऑलवेज केयर्ड कि वट इफ़ आई मेक अ ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक, वट इफ अगर मैं स्टूपिड लगूँ. सो But what I did to improve your grammar, if you face grammar ka problem na, then what you can do is you can watch any, see, this is what I did. I'm not a professional to teach any one of you, because you might say that, you know, this is very stupid to do this, but it is my thing, what I did to improve my language. So what I did, I used to watch a lot of English series or movies or something like this, which include a lot of English. And मैं starting में I used to watch it with subtitles, but then I removed the subtitles and I used to watch it like this. So it really helped me with my grammar, कि मुझे पता चला कि what exactly I have to say, how I have to speak this thing, because in general ना series में लोग एक बहुत लंबी conversation करते हैं, हर चीज़ के बारे में वो बात करते हैं. So you get an idea कि आपको exactly आप कैसे अपने उस language में, English में आप अपने आप को किस तरह से express कर सकते हो. So this is what I did. And if you feel that you are less confident in talking in English, you know English but you are not confident enough, then you can do some exercise, a very small exercise. What I used to do is I used to do a mirror exercise. I used to see myself in mirror and मैं बातें करती थी. I used to talk aloud, whatever I feel like. कुछ भी मैं बोलती थी but in English. तो इससे क्या होता था ना कि I see myself that I am staring myself and I am talking. So आप ऐसा कर सकते हो. इवन इफ यू कैन, इफ यू वांट, यू कैन रिकॉर्ड योर सेल्फ जस्ट लाइक राइट नाउ. इफ आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग माई सेल्फ, आई टॉक एनीथिंग, वट एवर आई फील लाइक, आई टॉक. So you can do this thing. Or if you are little confident, then you can talk to your friends in English. You can start talking to your friends. I know sometimes some friends are not very helpful in that case, but some people might be very helpful for you, so you can try that as well. Okay, so the next question is, I'm 75 kgs, I can't lose weight, what can I do? So guys, actually, to be honest, जब मैं इंटरव्यू देने गई थी, आई वॉज ओवरवेट बाई अराउंड 6 to 7 kgs. Even I was 62, 63 or something like this. Yes, I was fat. But anyhow, I went for the interview, I got selected, I got time to lose that weight. So if you are overweight, just don't think twice. Just go for the interview. They will surely provide you with some time to lose that weight. And yes, please lose it in that particular period because they are really strict in terms of weight. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि आप उसके लिए इंटरव्यू पे नहीं जा सकते हैं. आप डेफिनेटली इंटरव्यू के लिए जा सकते हैं. यू आर एलिजिबल टू गो इन द इंटरव्यू, बट वो जब आपको एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम देंगे, आपको उस टाइम पे अपना वो सारा वेट लूज कर लेना होगा. So the next question is, where you giving this interview, which city? So I was actually doing my graduation in Kolkata. So there only I gave my interview, and I gave my interview in 2013 December end. I gave my interview, I got selected for PhD. I did my PhD for 1 month. I got selected for the further process. And then because I was still pursuing my graduation, I extended my joining date for a bit. Then I finished my finished my graduation. Then I joined Indigo. So yes, I gave my interview in Kolkata. How many rounds are there in interview and what they are? So for this, I think I have mentioned this in my Indigo interview experience videos, that what were the rounds and how I did it, how I performed it. But again, I think there would be around 4 interview rounds in particular when I was giving my interview. First was the normal GD round, in which 4-5 लड़कियाँ 10 लड़कियाँ एक साथ रहेंगी. एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा आप सबसे, और आप सबको उसके बारे में आंसर करना है. Then there will be a BMI round, and जिसमें आपकी स्किन, स्कार्स, टीथ, बॉडी वेट, हाइट सब कुछ चेक किया जाएगा. एंड देन आता है आपका कम्युनिकेशन राउंड, जिसमें ऑनलाइन मेरे साथ एक इंटरव्यूअर थी जिन्होंने मुझसे एक नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्जेशन किया था, जिसमें उन्होंने मेरी लैंग्वेज चेक की थी. एंड देन द 4th राउंड, द फाइनल राउंड वाज द PI राउंड, द पर्सनल इंटरव्यू राउंड, जिसमें 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन वो करते हैं एंड दे जस्ट जज यू ऑन द स्किल एंड योर प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड. दैट्स इट. सो इन टोटल देयर वर 4 राउंड्स जो मैंने दिए थे. Please share your answers as well. This video was really helpful. Thank you so much for this comment, and I really appreciate if you guys find my videos helpful. And आप मेरी पुरानी वीडियो चेक कर सकते हैं जिसमें मैंने इंटरव्यू के क्वेश्चंस एंड उसके आंसर्स दिए हैं. बहुत ईजिली मैंने उसको ब्रेक डाउन करके आपको समझाया है दैट व्हाट ट्रिक्स यू हैव टू यूज़ वाइल यू आर आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन, हाउ यू कैन बी प्रोफेशनल इन साउंडिंग वाइल आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस. सो प्लीज़ रेफर टू दैट वीडियो. एंड अगर आपको कोई स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन के बारे में भी कुछ जानना होगा, आप मुझे कमेंट कर देंगे, मैं आपको बता दूंगी उसके बारे में भी. Okay, so next question. Okay, so it was actually a very long question, but in short, I will do it. That one girl asked me that she is wearing specs, but she want to switch between wearing the specs and not wearing the specs between the rounds. Like in first round, she wants to wear the specs, but in next round, she doesn't want to wear the specs. So is it allowed? So yes, it is actually allowed. It is nothing written in black and white that you can't wear or you can't remove anything. You can wear if you are feeling comfortable. You have to wear. You just have to disclose that yes, you have some power in your eyes. You do wear spectacles to correct your eyesight. Just that's it. And if you are clear, if you are like disclosing this, then you are good to go. If you wear it, if you don't wear it, doesn't matter. It's all up to you. Just be confident, just be comfortable. So what was the date of your interview? As I said, I gave my interview in December 2023. Yes, that was the date. Did you join any cabin crew course? So guys, this is a question that I get. Even not I get, every crew gets this question, that did you guys join any cabin crew course or institute or something of that sort? And I please let me be very very clear with you guys. You don't have to get enrolled in such kind of courses or institute, because you're just wasting your money. Interview process are very simple. They just check your communication, they just check your grooming, they just check your, even not that much grooming, but they just check your how you carry yourself, how confident you are, how you talk, how you smile. Just that's it, and you don't need any course for this. Even I had some of friends or common people in the interview who actually spend around 2 to 3 lakhs or 1.5 lakh rupees in this course, and I don't think that is worth your time or energy and money. It is just very simple. Just work on yourself. You can work on yourself by your own. You don't need any course to make you realize that you, oh no, you have to be good at communication, so just be good at communication. No, you can do it on yourself. So please, I would recommend that do not spend your money in this kind of institutes or scandals, whatever they are going on, scams. Just don't waste your time. Please share a makeup tutorial. Okay, so I have already shared a makeup tutorial for your interview. I've shared a very detailed video in that how you can groom yourself, how can you not overdo anything. So just please check my previous video, and yes, I have already shared that. Please do check it. So yes, that was it. This is all the questions that people asked me. And one more thing which is very common question that I get asked right now is about weight, is about scars, it's about eyesight, and it's about any kind of cabin crew course. So I have answered everything in this video, guys. Please do not fall for anything. If you are overweight, don't worry, they do give you time to lose that weight. If you have scars, who knows, you get lucky that day. So please just go, just avoid anything that is stopping you from the going to the interview. So just go for the interview and relax, just give it your best, that's it. And also, you don't need any course to get through in a cabin crew interview. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, it was helpful for you. And if you need anything else, if you have any other query, please do comment down below and I will surely answer that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my video and also share it. I'll see you in my next video. Tab tak ke liye take care. Bye bye.